Testing.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. Getting here a bit late. We're just going to jump right into the charts. It's almost news time. BDP is here. What's going on, brother? You guys are all doing well?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's go.
Try to make a little money today, yeah?
That's the plan.
The NQ's in a pretty good spot right now. Did you get long?
I'm thinking about it. I'm actually thinking about even taking the ES. I might do both. But I'm also considering them maybe sweeping these lows. That's like...
Yeah. Yes, this is like kind of tested a little bit on the way up.
Yeah.
Like it as much on ES. On NQ, I don't mind it. I don't know. I think I'm waiting till after the PPI for anyway.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's make some money.
Move. Yeah, I think we get a nice move on the open. Like the actual open.
Yeah. Just wanted to see what this PPI in 10 minutes is going to be like. How was your day today, BDP? Good?
Yeah, it was good. Had just did some admin. Had to go. Yeah, met a friend of mine. It's all good.
Nice.
I like that long off the open, off the London Open. It did nicely. As soon
Yeah,
as
worked
they
it.
ended on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I had a stop though there too, so basically break even.
Okay.
Because I shorted it first. I also cut it a little too early.
Yeah.
I should have took half off where I took it off and then had another PT for higher.
$100 is $100.
Yeah, it is what it is. Better than how I've been doing, that's for sure.
Hopefully they just take it up with this news still within range, and then maybe we can blast it off the open.
Yeah, we'll see. I really want to wait for the open though. I don't want to be fucking around too much with the news.
No, you don't want to be. Especially PPI. PPI is like almost can be more violent than CPI now.
Be kind of looking right now where are they gonna bring this? Yeah, like they could sweep. I kind of feel like they're gonna sweep all these lows on NQ and take it down to like, you know, 19,343 in that area.
Yeah, I like that area.
I mean, why wouldn't they take all the liquidity first, you know, before the big move?
Exactly.
Not buying this yet. Light is so bright. I had it set up before here. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to yes. Check. Check. Now you're not hearing the music also. All right, man. Oh, let's go. Let's go, man.
Let's go.
You know, not the best performance, but what are you gonna do? One stop and then one profit trade for London. Goes like that sometimes, I guess. Really, I cut that trade too early though. All right, 5 minutes until the news. A little bounce off this area. I really don't like this area though. But they could gain it. Good thing I took PTs though. Yeah, they brought it all the way back.
But that's futures trading. You got his PT. Go to PT because they always loves to stay in a range.
Yeah, that is futures trading for sure. You need to be taking PTs all the time. Really, like 90% of the time, they're coming back. Just the last move of the range, they don't.
Minutes.
One minute.
Okay, Jay, 30 seconds. Talk us through it.
See what happens, man. We're at the 15-minute swing. Let's see if we're going to get rejected. If they reject here, most likely a sweep of the lows. Could be pretty violent, man. 3 seconds. Here we go. Nope. Pop.
Pop and... Oh, pop and drop. Pop and drop. Or pop and continuation. That is the question.
Can't get involved in this. You know what I mean? I just can't do it. You know?
No, you don't want to be getting involved in this.
No, you can't.
For the New York Open.
Yeah, man. You can't get involved in this bullshit. Just let it do whatever it wants to do, and then that's it. If it rejects the top there, then we're most likely going down too. You know?
Exactly.
I think like even from what we just saw here, I think we're going down because they didn't even clear the range from today. That doesn't look good. This looks like lower to me. I'm just gonna go to use the washroom. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Oh yeah. What I miss? Nothing.
We've gone nowhere.
Nothing. Just Bitcoin dumping. That's it. Yeah.
Is it? Nice.
Just Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumping. That's all. What's going on, Craftsman?
Bitcoin's got like still a big gap to the upside on the CME chart.
Great. Oh yeah,
It's
huge
pretty
gap.
nice hourly on Bitcoin, around 82k.
82.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess we just wait for the open then. I rushed to get here for this news. Straight up, straight down. They did give a perfect opportunity to buy that though.
On the tick chart.
They did. They did. Oh, yeah, even on the 15-second chart.
Up here, I think we could see upside.
For me, I'm just playing the opening range breakout
But
again.
I don't like. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll pay good today. I'm expecting like a pretty big move. Looking at the VIX plus some other things, like I think the open today could present like. Okay.
Just remind me not to close so early.
Sometimes the right thing, and I end up getting stopped out.
Yeah. I mean, in hindsight, today's trade, I just closed it like a little bit too early. You know what I mean? I should have just had more PTs set in this range. Like I closed it at this PT spot right here. Like the first, you know, swing that was untested.
Yeah.
So I should have definitely had another one set for where it stopped, because that was the move that made the high, right? Yeah.
Exactly. There was also a daily that we didn't, that we closed below yesterday. So for me, they're like relatively untested. A little bit of liquidity there, which they grab, and yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the way they were pushing.
Sorry, go ahead.
I was just saying on the NQ and ES for that, they were pushing price around pretty aggressively, which was quite interesting.
Yeah, usually means accumulation when they're doing that, sloshing around. Yeah, Craftsman, that you know, that just comes with screen time, right? You need to have confidence in the trades that you're putting out, and just be comfortable with the stop in too, right? If you're risking too much, then you're probably too worried about the stop. Like, you shouldn't be worried about the stop. It's like as soon as you put the trade in there, just consider the money gone.
Also backtesting, Craftsman, if you go like, don't even have to use a replay feature, you just scroll back in time, put up multiple time frames, and then put your levels out there that you would theoretically trade, see how they play, and then it gives you a lot of confidence.
Yeah, for sure. It's better to use a back testing or use the trading view like replay function, because then you don't actually see the whole chart. But yeah, you should definitely back test the shit out of everything, right? Especially if you're trying some kind of new strategy or whatever. But like if you're having problems with confidence, then definitely, yeah, back test. And like I said, that shit just comes with screen time. Like the more trades you do, you know, eventually you're gonna be like, okay, like, you know, 60% of the time I win 3-1 or whatever, right? Or like, you know, 70% of the time I'm winning. So if you have those numbers to back you up, then you'll just let the trade play. You never done back test? Yeah, you need to do it. You don't just do it on a chart though. You need to do it on like either back testing software or on the trading view replay function. I think that's a premium thing though. Because if you do it just on a chart, that's gonna, as soon as you see the chart, you're gonna get already judgment's gonna come on to you, right? But from seeing the chart, and then like after it's played out, it's everything's obvious.
Yeah, people don't backtest.
They really should. Yeah, it's
Like
I did a lot.
Lazy. They just learn. They learn a couple things and then they just go straight into trading.
Yeah, I did a lot. I don't do it anymore, but I did a lot, man. Before, like there was a year where I did like, I was back testing for like hours a day.
Exactly. You got to put in the time. It's like studying a university degree. You go there for 4 years.
Yeah, if you have premium, then you can just get it on the it's called replay. Just YouTube it. You'll see it. Back testing is not a thing. I don't know what he's talking about. Back testing is definitely a thing. Why wouldn't back testing be a thing? These levels play out fucking every day. You know? Like, what are you talking about? Back testing is not a thing. 100%, especially if you're new, back testing is a thing. It'll make you a better trader, man. I'm telling you it will. Even if you just did like an hour a day. Pick random charts that you don't know anything about. Or like pick time, places in time that, you know, like scroll the chart back to like the 70s or whatever, you know what I mean? So just so you don't know about what's coming up. Yeah, you know, back testing and forward testing with a small amount of money is like the same fucking thing. You know what I mean? It's the same shit.
Yeah, exactly. It just takes longer. So
it just takes way longer to do it forward. Yeah.
Exactly. The benefit of back testing is you get multiple iterations really quickly.
Yeah, and like you can literally go through a year's worth of trading in like, you know, a week, not even.
Yeah. And like, don't just randomly do it as well. Do it like in a focused manner. So identify setups that you like that are repeatable, and then go from there.
Yeah, and be like diligent on like you know, trade it exactly how you would trade it. If you move your stops around, then you need to move your stops around. All right, man. I guess we're just chilling here, right? Until they open. We got 1 hour
There's not much
and
to do.
no, 1 hour and 2 minutes. We're just waiting. It's it. 1 hour and 2 minutes about till they open.
Yeah, like 45 minutes.
45 minutes. 45. Even less. It's like 46, 41. Go. Got the New York Open on the screen there. There we go. Yeah, journaling it is good too, because then you have all the stats on it, right? So you'll know this setup, you get 60% of the time win rate. If you leave your stop, you get your 3-to-1 target or whatever the stats are, right? But yeah, if you journal it, it's even better. I didn't really journal too much when I was doing it. I don't really journal too much anymore either. I did a lot when I was learning. I have a villa manager, like an operations manager kind of here for my business. The guy's fucking MIA. It's the worst. Like he just like up and like not. I haven't heard from him in 5 days at this point. It's the worst. What kind of an asshole does that?
So is he like just gone?
I don't know, man. If my staff hasn't heard from him, I haven't. Like we went to his boarding house. Like we went to his house where he lives. My girlfriend did, and she said, yeah, the guy who owns the place said he was there, and he was not there now, but he said he's seen him like a day ago. So like, great, you know, you just like fucking bail on the whole business or what? You know what I mean? Thanks for letting me know, motherfucker. It's not a huge deal. Like I dealt with all this shit before I had staff, but it's still a kind of a nightmare, you know. Like we're right in the middle of like people are checking in, checking out, and like, you know, no, the guy's nowhere to be found with no notice at all. Like it's a dick move, man. Really, I'm a bit pissed off that he pulled that kind of shit with me.
Yeah, and your season's like about to start.
Yeah, it's still kind of slow season right now, so it's not huge crazy.
Or is it kind of all year? But like,
it's still slow season for another month and a half, like, I would say.
May. Yeah, exactly. May, June, July, then it's pumping.
Yeah, even April is like pretty slow still too. But yeah, June, July, August is the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff comes with practice, Craftsman. How long have you been trading now, you said? Crossman? Like, for some people, this shit takes years, man. It took me, I would say, 5 years before I was like consistently profitable. Almost 2 years, yeah. So it took me 5. You know what I mean, bro? After 2 years, I still blew up accounts after that. But some people pick it up way faster, you know? I'm just stupid. Right, we can talk about the opening. You said you wanted me to break down the opening range breakout trades, yeah? So, opening range breakout happens in the first, whatever the first candle is of the session that you're trading, right? So today, this afternoon, when I was in Discord with you guys, I was trading London, right? So this is the London session. This is the first 5 minutes of London. So after the first 5 minute was closed, you just mark out the top and you mark out the bottom. Then the next 5 minute candle, if you get closes below, that's it's signaling to the downside. So on a retest, you're supposed to take shorts. This one didn't work, right? You have your stops at the highs. So I got stopped out at the highs. Now at this point, by the time this one closed up here, this is now a 15-minute opening strategy, right? This is a 15-minute candle also, right? So it works on the 5, 15, some even hourly it works. So now it's on the 15. So after this 15-minute close above, I had orders here with stops here for longs. And you notice how that it kind of matches up with the price action too, right? We hadn't had a gain yet, but it we did have a gain here. So it like taking a trade to the long side.
You had a gain on the 5.
Okay.
You had a gain on the 5 minute.
Yeah, we did have a gain on the 5 minute. Yeah.
Even locally, like if you go back to the 5 minute, you'll see.
Gained above this. So this gaining, it gained, and then it also had a 5 minute breakout. Broke the opening range. So on the retest, is a good spot to be trying to get longs. Stops here. And then what they tell you to do is to target the liquidity to the upside. Like the previous session's highs or the previous session lows or overnight highs or overnight lows, something like that. You know what I mean? But usually they always just say previous session. So the Asian session highs or the Asian session lows, you would be targeting. Since this is at the Asian session lows, you taking a short here was kind of stupid. You know what I mean? Because we were already at the Asian. We had already swept the Asia lows. So when you're doing stuff like that, you probably I really didn't think that through, right? Kind of stupid. Looking back on it, my stupid ass didn't really fucking think about the trade. But yeah, because we were already down here, I probably should have just negated that short opportunity and just focused on the long, if it presented itself, or just like passed on the short. Now in futures, it's a little like you don't want to just be giving back all this, right? Like you don't want to give all that back. So this is where you use price action for targets too, right? So you're looking for untested levels. You're looking for the, a sweep of this. This is untested, right? So you could take profit targets here. This move that made this high, here or here. So that's I use the price action just for profit taking, obviously. But even if this trade was still just target the highs, this trade is still going, right? Like if you look at this, range break on the 15-minute, so it's still, I still wouldn't even have got stopped out if my stop was in profit. This trade I had from London, you know, that wouldn't have stopped it out. So if I still had this trade going and I was targeting, because they tell you you're supposed to target this, right? So like if I was still had this trade going, this trade would still be alive. Will it dump? Probably, maybe. You don't never know. And it's really with futures, you can't trade it like that, and like you need to take profits because futures move like this. You know what I mean? Lots. So like you know, when you're at profit spots, you take them, and then if you want to hold one runner for here, okay, one runner, one contract out of 5. But like main profit spots are like, you know, when you need to take like the first untested swing, the first move to the high for sure. You need to take those spots for the majority of the profits. And then really I should have left one runner for up here. But it's okay. Did not. Hope that made sense. That's just like a little breakdown on the opening range breakout. You can also use it in a little bit of a different manner here. You can use it like if there's a failure. Like here's a good example. On the New York Open here yesterday. Like if I was playing this yesterday, I probably would have made money. Oh, can I undo that? Yeah, I can. So yesterday, here's the 15-minute range, the opening range. So opening range, pushing up on a swing, right? So it makes a break to the upside, but closes inside. Having a break of the range and then a close inside the range is very bearish. So you could take a trade. You could take a trade on a retest. So on a retest of this, anywhere in here you could take a trade, and you would put your stops above the highest point. That's how you play. That's how you play it that way. And then obviously in the reverse, it's for a long. So you would play a short this way. You could short it here, and if it was inverted, you would play along in that same scenario. If it broke to the downside and then closed inside the range, that's giving you a buy signal. Seemed like this was giving you a sell signal. That's like another way to play it. Other people also play this on very small time frames, right? So like you're playing this on you have the range marked out, and then when this move happens like this, or let me just use a box, I guess, because this thing is kind of fucked up. When this move happens and it crosses back into the range, you're looking at like the 1 minute and you're using the range as like support. So if it or as resistance. So if it breaks the resistance and then comes back up, you're good to take trades at that resistance point and aim lower like shorts. And then you would put your stops literally just above the resistance. So like literally just right there. That's how you would play it in like a scalping manner. But you should kind of stay away from the scalping manner, you know, part of it. It's not. It's too much. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to. You don't need to, because like if you're taking trades here with stops here, you're taking profits at the midpoint, and you're taking more profits at the bottom of the range. So it's just, you know, it's a lot more condensed. And Q bouncing it. Holy. 30 minutes until the open. Let's go. 30 minutes. It's fucking redemption day, folks. We're gonna get it all back now.
Famous last words.
We're off the Russell. We're off it. Fuck the Russell.
Fuck the Russell.
Fuck the Russell, man. Fuck the Russell, man.
I'm sure there's definitely a strategy you can use. You just gotta adjust like how you trade.
I don't know. I think just fuck the Russell.
Get back to gold and ES and NQ.
I think I'm just gonna focus
Take
on
micro
NQ, man.
trades,
Really.
all of them.
Yeah. Yeah, because unless it's like they're huge candles, right? If it's a huge candle on NQ, then I'll trade the ES. I don't know why I switched what I was doing, man. Really. Everything was working. Everything was working perfect. You know? Do I still have that account in here?
It's all
Oh,
good.
I can't see it. Yeah, it's not like it's terrible, man. It's just like I just expect more, you know, not just break even fucking trading here. This is not what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And keep pushing, yeah. Holy. Holy. Now we're back to the NQ gang for sure. The mini NQ gang. Even that trade today, I market smashed it and then they went to my level. I'm done with it. I'm done with the market smash. If I missed my trade, I missed the trade. Really. It's probably better, man, for me to just put in the fucking trade and go have a cigarette and then come back and see if it was hit. You know what I mean? Oh, man. Brutal.
Yeah. It'll be good for when you, like, it's good practice as well for when you have 20 accounts. Then at least you'll get decent fills. And if you do like 5 micros across 20 accounts, you'll become liquidity in the books and they'll love you.
Yeah, I won't be able to do that with that many accounts, that's for sure. Even with 6 accounts with 5 micros each, that's still a lot. The market smashed all that.
Yeah, but then I'm saying if you put those on the books, so they're resting there.
Yeah.
Like in real live markets, they'll come grab you if you have like offering 100 lots right there.
Yeah, true
You'll
enough.
become the liquidity, basically market making.
I should do some research on market making then, I guess, yeah. Before I start trading 20 accounts. this wasn't very convincing, this gain above this. Not super strong. This could go down and test down a little bit lower. All right, man, we got about 22 minutes on the old clock here, 21 minutes about. I'm going to go for a quick cigarette. We'll be back. Market open coming up. Coming up hot. Hot and fresh. Where the fuck is my operations manager, man? Fuck. You know how much extra work I have to fucking do now? God damn it. God damn it, man. God damn it. All right, guys, let's get it, man. It's enough smoking, right? Fuck. Bad for you. It's fucking bad for you, man. Don't do it. $14 minutes till the open. Make some fucking money today. $12 minutes. Maybe up, maybe down. Maybe down first, then up. I don't need this line anymore. If they dump it, they're going here on NQ. If they pump it, it's just new highs. Kind of what we're thinking here. It's scarier for ES. If they dump it, where are they going to dump it to? Everything's tested. This is like it's way more scarier on ES. I guess ES could just hold this range. I feel like they're not gonna dump it. Kinda feeling like it, man.
Yep. I think like if they start gaining anything at the open, like if we get a nice opening range breakout to the upside.
Yeah. Let's go. 10 minutes. A little bit of a rejection here. A little rejection on NQ. 5-minute rejection. Rejection. Where is my operations man? What's on, Weasel? Welcome in, brother. Is it going to be up or is it going to be down? Who knows? We may take trades in both directions.
But we had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.
We're getting close, folks. We're getting close. Yeah. Five minutes. 6 minutes and 32 seconds to be exact.
I see you got 50 followers on Twitch.
Oh, did I? Oh yeah, it does say I have 50.
Nice one.
Oh yeah?
But then also it says 10
Oh no,
more
it's
followers to go.
Oh no, it says I have 49. I don't know. Maybe one is myself. I don't know if that counts. On my path to affiliate thing, it says I have 49. I need one more, boys. One more follower on Twitch, guys. Come on, man. Just help me get in there. Just need look, check marks everywhere, man. I just need one goddamn follower, and then I'm an affiliate. Requirements met. 3 of 4. 1 follower needed. Maybe I'm one of the followers that's on this thing. Worry, we'll have an affiliate party once we get it. So close yet so far, you know. You know what I mean? All right, boys, 5 minutes to go. I'm going to switch this over to the order entry page so I can focus in on this a little bit. I'll probably be switching these around between NQ, ES, and maybe YM. Let's check out YM too. We'll take it on NQ if we can. All right, 4 minutes to go. 1 follower needed. Over here. I'm gonna switch this so it's, yeah, this is, I have this set up on my for reels. There we go. All right. So this is the 5 minute over here. This is the tick chart, 15 seconds, 4 hour, 15 minute. Two minutes. Markets kind of look like they want to push, but let's see what the opening range brings. One minute to go. 1 minute to go. 10 minutes before trading.
Hey, let's go, Jay.
Let's go. Let's go, folks. Redemption day. selling pressure off the get-go. I have a big stop. Might have to play ES. Look at ES real quick. Real quick here. Look at ES. D5 on ES. The YM. What's trade YM? Gonna be yes.
Let's see if we can hold here.
Kind of spooky. They are coming back down into areas that are tested already, right? So this is a little bit spooky now.
Yeah, they really need to go now if they're gonna go.
Might be down. Might be down then up though, you know? What an opening range. Big. A little wide. Yeah, just waiting for this candle to close here. Just waiting for this candle to close. Probably going to be the range. Trying to hold it on the tick. Higher low. But that doesn't look very promising really, man.
If they hold on this 5-minute thing, it's gonna look real nice.
If they hold up here, yeah. If they close it up here, then it will be okay. It's really kind of a bullish candle. So now we're waiting for either a break above or break below before I enter into trades. And a close. Has to be a close. $330 stop.
Coming back down to test the 5-minute swing. See if they hold it on the ticks.
Trying to hold. They made new daily highs, but they failed it. So we'll see. Let's see if they close it inside. If they close it inside, I'll be taking a short. Closing it at the lows. Pretty big sell. Pretty big sell pressure. Took out the daily lows. So this is kind of like a, you know, a no signal candle right now if it closes inside. It took out the highs and the lows. Need to wait until there's a break, I guess. So we get one more candle that forms. It's going to end up being a 15-minute range also that we're watching. The tough candle to, you know, to make any kind of play off of because it took the highs and the lows. So it's giving signals in both directions.
If ES holds 55.90s here, it could look pretty decent.
I mean, they're trying to hold it, but
Otherwise, it's probably going down.
doesn't look like they want to hold it.
And then my level on NQ is right here at 524. So it's quite interesting.
Basically just hovering right at the level where they need to hold, right?
Yeah.
All right, there's the next 5-minute candle. So No real signal yet, man, for up or down. We don't really know yet. Starting to have a little buying on the tick chart.
There's a fair amount of volume on the tick chart that happened just in that little range there. Let's see if they can hold it. But the 5-minute candle was kind of weak.
There's still
So we'll just have to see.
still just in the opening range, just hovering within the first 5-minute range, right? One more candle, then we're looking at just a 15-minute chart at that point. I'll probably still take a 5-minute close above or below, though. But really, you should be waiting for the next 15-minute candle. Bit of a war going on right now. A little bit of a war. Russell's pumping though.
Interesting.
I think we're seeing a bit of buys. Making new highs. New daily highs.
Come on, NQ. Do something.
Struggling, yeah. Both directions struggle. 15-minute candles done in 1 minute 42 seconds. Pretty bad close. Still just holding the opening range. Made a higher low. Breaking the lows. New daily low. Or new open low. Alright, it's the first 5-minute close outside the range. Might be taking a short here, boys. All right, I'm in short. Stops at the highs of the day. $300 stop. We will be targeting a sweep of the lows. Or at the lows anyway. Your sweep of the lows. Okay. We try here, Melons. We try. We'll see. It might be a shit trade. Who knows? All right, let's see if that happens. It could, or it could get stopped out. You never know with this shit. We'd be short. Dump it, motherfucker. Dump it. It's redemption day, man. Let's go. Let's do it for the stream. My cat wants to get inside. Jesus Christ. Get in here, man. Come on. Yeah, I know. Jesus Christ, I know, man. You want to be here? I get it. All right, we got Bitcoin dumping. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pretty spooky on ES, man, because if they lose this level, it's like, you know, I think it's going down kind of farther. We'll see. I'm sure there'll be stops there though. Liquidity. Let's get it, folks. Let's fucking dump it, man. Yeah, I'll be out before then, Melons. I'll probably take one on the sweep of this. And then 2 more here. If it even goes. Looks like it's going though. Fucking let's go, man. Had enough of this shit. Just go. Dump it, motherfucker. Dump it, man. Dump it. This is tested. This area is tested. It's bullshit. Go. You're going lower. This is all tested area down here, man. You've tested it all. Look at it, man. Look at it. It's all going, man. You're going down, bro. You're going down, and you know you're going down, brother. Market isn't getting saved. No, man. Not yet, anyway. I know. It all looks pretty bad right now. It's all looking pretty spooky. I do like this level, 1 level down on NQ right here. It's not really tested yet. Right here. This guy. I don't mind that. I don't mind that guy. Do I think they're gonna hold here? They've been trying to put in higher lows, just barely, you know, but I think it's flush time. I think it's flush time, boys. Flush it. I should take 1 off. No? Nah. Gotta love how I always try to talk myself out of the trade. Every time. It's like clockwork every time. I'm like, maybe I should take 1 off here in the fully tested area that is probably going to wash out. You know what I mean? What? I will take 1 on the sweep of this, though. On a sweep of this, I will take 1. Might take 1 here. Just 1 off, guys. I got 4. It's okay for 1, right? I got 4. Better take 1 to be safe. $55.34 is the first one. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the first PT. No way. That would be my last PT. So just hold the whole bag till then.
One trade to pass them all.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we go.
Let's go, man. I'm taking a PT here, man. Let's go. Let's take off 2. Oh no, I bought 1 instead. How about that? Jesus, I gotta really fix all these notifications popping up, man. A real pain in the ass. Yeah, I took 2 off.
So you got 2 left, yeah.
2 left, yeah. Really, I gotta fix that. My stop's kind of fucked up now because I bought one down here instead, or I added to the position like way down here. Stupid. You know what I mean? Hitting the wrong fucking buttons with one contract. It's not a huge
It's
deal.
all good. You could, yeah.
It's still going down. I think I'm still ahead.
So what, you got 1 runner? You got
Yeah.
one. You got 1 runner. No, 2.
I got 2 still. But one was entered like down here.
There you go. NQ sweeping the lows.
You're gonna take 1 more off here and just have a runner.
Coming into Jace.
Yeah, see,
Great trade.
This is the last one here. It's up $30. I should just get out of this fucking thing, really. I don't want to be like underwater in this, you know? Let's just close this too and just be done with all this. That's it, boys. I really got to fix this, man. Hide all, man. Hide forever. You know, I have like 800 notifications popping up on the side. Can't be like that. Especially if I'm trading in this window over here. All right, let's have a look at the performance. Up 500 per account. You know, you can't ask for more than that, man. Let's just go. Let's go with that.
Just tagged your level in NQJ.
Oh yeah, I did like this area, man. That it was a little off, but yeah, I did like this area. See what happens here.
Yeah. I think this might go sweep like way a bit lower even.
That's gonna be it though for the trading for me. Back to the open range breakout, boys. Classic. The classic open range.
Nailed it, dude. Well done.
Worked perfectly there, man. If it didn't sweep the lows, I would have had a way better entry, you know what I mean? But it swept the lows also on the same candle, so it gave kind of conflicting signals.
Yeah.
But if it didn't sweep the lows and it swept the highs and then failed, I would have entered like way higher, man. Really. I would have got like an extra 10 points out of it.
ES was a bit cleaner than NQ there.
I didn't see NQ. I didn't really look at it. It was once the candle was too big, I just stopped looking at it. Let's have a look. A minute, 9:30. Yeah, NQ is a little bit harder. It dumped a lot before it got you got involved.
Yeah.
I'll never complain with $500 in a day though per account. That's, you know, that's fine. That's fine and dandy in my books. I can just show up to the market and do that every day. We're good to go. We'll be trading 5 accounts in no time, or 10 accounts or 20 accounts in no time. Can I get a fucking follow on Twitch or what? I just need one more. This level could hold, right? This level could hold on NQ. If NQ pumps it, ES is gonna pump it too, right?
Yeah.
This level could hold.
I don't think they're gonna hold though.
I think so either. I don't think so either, man. Nice. I even recorded that trade for YouTube. Let's go. We'll be going out in shorts tomorrow. Yeah. Did you catch any of that short, BDP?
No, I haven't taken a trade yet. I kind of missed it. It meant like a.
Yeah, it got away from you.
Gone from my level once.
Yeah, if you were watching NQ, then yeah, for sure that happened. Yo, thank you for that follow. Appreciate it. It's got to be 50 now. I'll have to check that out tomorrow. NQ, they're holding this for now. Yeah, it's a decent trade. You didn't take the long here? Seems like your kind of trade.
I did. From 61.
Oh, there you go.
Just like right now on the ticks. But my level's actually 372, so they got below it and just kind of got above it now, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a decent trade.
See,
Third.
Yeah, it's good so far. But it's only 2 contracts. It's not that big.
Ain't better than nothing. Or better than losing. I guess you don't lose too much, eh, BDP?
I lose a little bit. But my stops are always super tight, and then I'll have like a range that I'm trading, and then I'll average into the position and average out. So like if I get often if I'm entering like four contracts in a range, then like if we get back to my first entry, I'll normally take that one off, and then so I just manage my risk. But I like to I basically only play off off my daily levels, but then just on the lower time frame. If it lines up, then I'll take the trade, and usually I get like something from it. But my risk to reward is like at least 4-1.
Yeah, it's stupid. So. More buys in the NQ. You must be coming to a PT spot here, yeah?
Yep, just here, 40. 42. There we go. So now I've got one left, and we'll see what happens. But I think we might. I don't know. It's kind of tricky. On the daily wick, that does make sense.
I would take heavy PTs here. Or maybe leave one runner. Done for the day. Good. It's fucking it, man. That's it, boys and girls. One and done. See you at the beach. I really like the see at the beach mentality, you know? Let's try not to hit like market sell when you're trying to market buy, right? You know? What a stupid fucking mistake.
Never useful.
Never ever did that ever work out good, man.
So if we start losing like right here, I'm gonna be out of this runner.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want it much lower than this. I'd probably give it to 11 for 11.
Yeah, something like that. Because if it does hold here, that's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, boys. Well, we're back at the account highs. Really? You know, like let's see some TA on this on the profit loss, you know. We were putting in higher lows, you know. And like this has got to yeah, this has got you know, this resistance up here has got to give at some point. It's the third test of it, you know? It's got to go. Gain here, retest, you know, a little bit lower, still held the swing, and then blast off, but still didn't take out the highs. Maybe one of the other accounts is better. Nah, they're all the same. They're all like relatively the same. Oh well. Man, I like that opening range breakout, man. I'm just gonna keep trading that way. I don't know why I tried to like, you know, the problem with that strategy is like you only get one, you're only trading for the first like hour or whatever, half an hour, you know. So if you want to trade anymore, it's like you gotta wait till tomorrow. So a lot of times that just gets me into fucking trouble. You're still in your NQ trade?
Yeah, my stop's at 411. But I don't like it's not gaining what I needed to gain. So it's probably coming back down to like 400 at least. We need to get above 42.
Yeah, they're still trying to hang in there.
Yeah, they got me.
Oh yeah, they did.
happens.
Bastards. What can you do, you know? What can you do? Well, guys, that's gonna be all the trading for me today. I'll probably hit up the London session again and do a trade there. The Asian session, there's just not enough volume to trade it, right? You can, like, sometimes there's some good trades, but I don't know. It's just 90% of the time it's not good. So I'd rather just not wake up for that. To refresh this for the maybe tomorrow I'll get the affiliate thing.
Ah, these bitches.
Oh no, they pumped it after? Fuckers. They held it on the tick. They held it on the 15-second chart. They fucker bastards, you know? They could fail here. Kind of a spot. Coming up. 75. 76.
I mean, not good.
At least you still made money though.
Yeah. Up $140. Not too bad.
Yeah, man, it's better than nothing. You guys see my cat? Look at this fucking guy. Look at his face. Okay, man. I get it. You hate. Cool. Well, that's gonna be it for me. Really, I don't want to overtrade here. I just want to take the $500 per account and run for the fucking hills. I'll probably be on London tomorrow if you guys want. I do the London session on the Discord. So if you haven't joined up, you can join up there and just stream that on the Discord. I usually just hit the London Open just for, you know, the opening hour, and then that's it for the day, or until New York. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys make money. I'm gonna send you guys over to Mike's channel as usual. Make sure you tell him I say hello. I'll be over there for a bit anyway too.
Oh, Jay, that was a bang along off your level now.
I know. I see it. What can you do?
What can you do?
What can you do? I did great today, man. I'm fine. You know, it's all good.
Day. Let's go.
Yeah. We can keep banging out $500 days. Like, fuck, you know, what more can you want? Join the raid, guys. All right. I'll see you guys over there. You guys have a great day trading, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Again, London session in the Discord if you guys want to see that. All right. Peace.